Repair test.
First off, there's a lot of legroom in the pilot seats for tall people, but magic friends, oh my goodness, today is the day of dreams. We finally made it to the pilot seats on the Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run. We have been on this ride so many times and it's always been the gunner or the engineers, so today is the day of dreams.
Right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineer! Fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, gravity coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. I think I will let you tell the road. Punch! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting super hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry! Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Push your button, babe.
Damage report. Engine failure. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. All right, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
How did you like it, man?
Justin's
Justin's dreams all just came true finally. He was the pilot. Just a reminder, my husband is 6'4", so in the pilot seat, there is quite a bit of legroom. If you have a little extra in the booty area, you could be off, but they're pretty comfy for everybody. Just know if you're in the gunner seat or the engineers, your knees are quite tight. I'll put in a still here, and you can see your knees are right up against the next seat. But there is like the legroom in the aisle. So you're still pretty good. You can get your legs in that aisle area if you need to. Not a ton. You can't like stretch out your leg, but you can put your knee there. So I would say this is pretty tall person friendly, granny friendly, and kid friendly. It's pretty good, but if you have vertigo or any photosensitivity, this ride is probably not for you. As you see, there's a lot of flashing lights. So just know that and enjoy. And hopefully you're the pilot next. Like and subscribe for more Disney fun.